In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add drill-through in Power BI. This feature is a fantastic way to enhance your data analysis by allowing users to easily navigate between different layers of data, diving deeper from summary levels into more detailed insights. So, if you're ready to take your Power BI skills to the next level, let's get started. First, let's focus on the Visualizations pane within Power BI. If you're familiar with this pane, you'll know it's integral to customizing how your data is displayed. When you're working on your report, you will find the drill through section towards the bottom of this pane. This section is essential because it allows you to refine how viewers interact with your data, giving them the power to explore it more dynamically and intuitively. Next, you need to consider the fields available in your data pane. Here, you'll find the various dimensions and measures of your data set. To enable the drill-through functionality, look through your data pane for the field that you want to use as your drill-through field. This is an important choice because this field will serve as the basis for the deeper insights the drill-through functionality will provide. Once you've identified your appropriate drill-through field, the process to enable this feature is wonderfully simple. You'll just drag the chosen field from your data pane and drop it directly into the drill-through section of your visualizations pane. This act of dragging and dropping does all the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Power BI auto-magically sets everything up for you. After you've dragged your field into the drill-through section, you'll notice a small but significant change on your report page. An arrow will appear. This visually represents the drill-through capability you've just established. This arrow not only enhances the interactivity of your report, but also serves as an intuitive guide for end users, making it clear where they can click to access further data details. Now, with drill-through enabled, users have more freedom to explore your report. They can click on data points and navigate through layers of information, better understanding the context and details that contribute to broader trends. If they need to, they can return to previous pages just as easily, thanks to the straightforward navigation options you've provided. And there you have it. That's all it takes to set up drill-through in Power BI. With this simple yet powerful tool, you can create a more engaging and informative report experience for anyone using your dashboards. By allowing for easier channeling from summary data to detailed views, drill-throughs ensure that every user can explore, analyze, and interpret data according to their unique needs and inquiries. I hope you found this rundown helpful and are inspired to use drill-through in your future Power BI projects. Remember, mastering these small details can make a significant difference in how effectively you communicate data-driven insights.